Hello, myself Aniketh, and I am a light user and also purchased Brahmas test series, which are very helpful for me. And the MemoNeet app is very helpful in many ways. They provide many questions that are NCRT based and Brahmas Patrika series, which are very helpful for all the students and me also. That they are providing important questions in that, and the best feature of the app is OMR scanning, so we can check our answers within seconds. So it is very helpful for me and very less time consuming. So very good. And the mentors are very polite. They are very good and humble. They are helping like an big brother and without any cost. So it's very good. Thank you, MemoNeet, for helping us.